Hey guys, hello.
Hey guys, and welcome back to TSM Adventures.
Welcome back. You stole my line, bro.
Sorry, bro.
No problem.
It's been my line for so long now,
Yeah.
so I'm all into it.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
bro.
No problem. So today we hiked from a last location, down a mountain, up a small mountain, and down to this beautiful lake.
Yeah, look at that view,
Yeah.
guys. It's amazing.
We have some amazing mountains in the background. We have this lake which we will use a little later.
For fishing, yeah.
Amongst other things. Yes.
Cool.
Well,
Let's get to it.
enough said, right?
Enough said, yeah.
Let's do this, man.
Boom.
It is finished, my man. Now let's get you ready for jumping in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, to be truth, I don't feel as excited as Adam is, but yeah, it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Man. This is dangerous, guys. This is not something you do if you haven't done it before or under supervision of someone who have done it before. I'm a serious survival instructor, and I do this once a year with all my soldiers and have done it for many years. So this is not my first time, but it is your first time.
Yeah.
But that's why I'm the supervisor here, supervising you going down. If you want to see all the procedures before, during and after going through the ice, you can check out my other video. I will link it up here or there, and yeah, you can see all the procedures. I won't show everything now, I will only tell you, and then we will do it. And when you're done, of course I'm jumping in. This is gonna be awesome, man.
Absolutely.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Boom!
Boom, boom. Stay tuned.
Hi. Try to let go of the knife. Good job. Find the breathing. Let the shock leave your body.
My name is Robin Buntic, and I'm almost 31 years old, and I'm getting out.
Good job, man. Yeah. You have my permission as well. Awesome job.
Yeah. Good job.
A little more. Good job. A little more. A little more. There you go. Run, 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 run.
My two toes are completely frozen.
Yep.
It really hurts the toes. Yeah. Alright.
Okay, you said you're freezing about your feet.
Yeah, completely.
Your body is focusing all its heat to the vital organs. So now you need to run. And when you done running, you will slap the blood out to your hands and
Kick
your feet.
Yeah.
Yes. And I want you to run to the beginning of this mountain over here.
Yeah.
and back.
Okay.
I want you to do that 5 times. Then you will come to the fire and I will see how you feeling. Okay?
Here, up there, 5 times.
5 times.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
See you soon, man.
Should I put it on?
Yep, it's on.
It's on. Yeah.
That worked out nice. Now we will run for about 1 kilometer. Then I will give him some hot tea and a seat by the fire. I will watch him for about 15 to 20 minutes to see that he get his heat up, etc. And then I will do the same procedure. But I want to make sure that Robin is fine before I jump in, because we are about 7 to 8 hours from the closest building or house by walking. So I really want to make sure that Robin can repair from this ice bath and make it on his own. Great. Well, we see each other soon, guys. Nice, man. Yeah. Good job.
Thanks, bro.
It's hot. Be careful.
Cheers, guys.
You have a first seat on the fire if you'd like as well, but I think the best thing is to stand, man. I'll come close to the fire. Now you have your heat up from the inside. Now it's time to warm up from the outside as well. Fire, and of course the tea is also for inside. In the meantime, while you are warming up, I will change and make myself ready for going myself.
Cool.
Nice.
Nice.
You have more tea there if you need.
Yeah, that was good. Not enough spruce branches.
No.
Or pine.
Tea. Det var väl gött, Robin. Sorry, English. This was good, Robin. Okay, the darkness comes too fast here. It was about 20 minutes ago I woke up from the ice bath and it's really starting to get dark. Before darkness comes, I really want to get out some ice fishing. It is a bit too shallow in this, in our hole in the ice to be ice fishing. It should be about 2 to 4 meters at least, but I will go with what I have because I don't have time to make another hole further out in this lake. We saw some fishes before in the stream. They were very small, but we know there are fish here, so hopefully I can get something today. This will be my ice fishing rod. I will have one hook from this part and one hook from that part. Yeah, I will start before the darkness comes. Great, I will leave it here until tomorrow. Tomorrow I will come back and I will mark this spot better tomorrow before we leave. Great, now let's see what Robin is up to. I think he will start with the food soon. Nice.
Onion and garlic. Here you go. Whew. Lentils, red ones. Smoke in my eyes. Special seasoning. Paprika powder, bay leaf, curry, yeah, all the good stuff. Tomato paste. Oh. Sambal, that's the spiciness. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, decent amount. My fellow veggie stocks with this stew slash soup. There you go 1, 2, and there you go 3 soon, my friends. Shoo. The soup is done, so I'm gonna add some noodles, egg noodles, so they will soak up and boil with this delicious soup. Oh, smells good. Here we go. Alright, approximately for 4 portions for 2 hungry Bushcraft gentlemen. 200 grams. Nice. Alright, and about 6 minutes or 7 maybe, or even less, it will be done. Nice. Nice. Oh, Harry, you got noodles for the whole company.
not even a nibble. But it was too shallow. Anyways, it was a nice try, right?
Now it's time to finish this episode.
It is.
Yeah, it's been a good one.
It has.
Yeah, and what? It's like 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and everything is packed and set for our long way back home. We're gonna do a long walk back. Approximately how long?
Today, about 3 to 4 hours, I'd say.
That's a long walk.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and probably the same tomorrow.
Cool.
We spent 3 days going this direction. Now we have less than 2 days going back.
Nice.
And much of the snow has actually went away, so yeah, the walk back won't be a problem. And in the
Sure.
next episode I will cook some food, and Robin, you will be boss of the shelter again.
All right. Cool. Nice.
So that's gonna be good. We're gonna say goodbye to this beautiful spot, this beautiful lake, this beautiful ice bath hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, and as we said, yeah, we're gonna walk for about 3 to 4 hours today. It's gonna be a good hike, it's gonna be good pace. We need to have pretty long steps today, because yeah, we're in a hurry back home.
Long steps.
Yes, that's gonna be good, man. It's been a great day. 24 hours.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
You've been awesome. You did
You too, bro.
very good in the ice bath.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You too.
The,
But you didn't run as much as I did. He told me to run 5 laps and he only did 3.
yeah.
So it's been bothering me ever since.
Well, you need to run more. I know when
What do you mean I need to run more?
I know when I'm warm. I don't know when you are warm. So it's better to be safe than sorry. Yes. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Thank
Stay
you, guys.
tuned for the next episode. It will be some walking, and it will be me cooking.
And me watching.
And you building a shelter.
And me building
Your
a shelter.
shelter.
My shelter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome, guys. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
And see you later.
Bye.
Bye.